Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris. Today I'll be doing a quick unboxing and a review and also a sound demo for this awesome soundbar made by Samsung. This is the model number T60C. So some of these features, it's going to have of course the HDMI ports. It's going to have the DTS Virtual X technology built in. It's going to have it also has Dolby audio built in. This also comes with a separate unit as the subwoofer, which is 310 watts. This is a 3.1 channel soundbar. It also has built-in Bluetooth technology. This also has the 3D surround sound. It also has built-in center speakers. You can also use multi-connection using Bluetooth technology. Also has the smart sound and also comes with the Samsung One remote as it shows right on the box. So moving on to what's included inside the box. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. This is the beautiful Samsung soundbar. This is the T60C. The measurements of it, the width of the soundbar is 38.5 inches by 3.5 inches deep, and the subwoofer itself is 13.5 inches tall by 7 inches wide by 10.5 inches deep. So what do you get inside the box? Here's what we get. You get a user manual. Of course, you will need that for basic installation and whatnot, for those of you that need it. Then you get this nice handy Samsung One remote. With this remote, you can turn on and off your soundbar. You can change the inputs. You can use the pairing mode for the Bluetooth feature. You can toggle up and down, right and left, and this is your play and pause button right in the middle. You can mute your device. You can change the sound mode between gaming and whatnot and standard mode. And you can also change this is the settings button right here. And what's really nice about this remote is that you can change the volume to two different units. You can do it either you can change the volume, you can toggle the volume for the soundbar itself from here on the left hand side, or you can change the volume for the subwoofer itself, which is on the right hand side. That's pretty nice. So this nice remote control from Samsung will come pretty handy if you ask me. So what else do you get inside the box? You get a power adapter. That's this bulky piece right here. Along with the power adapter, this plugs into this, and this will power up your Samsung soundbar. And this other power adapter, this will power up your subwoofer itself. And then in here you have a nice and handy sturdy HDMI cable. As you can see, that this is pretty thick. It looks like a nice quality HDMI cable. Then you also get two wall mount brackets. As you can see here, you get two of these guys to mount your soundbar on the wall. Again, that is optional. And then you also get a few screws and a few pieces that you can see here. I'll try to show this here in the video. And you get a couple of these pieces to mount that soundbar to the wall. So what kind of inputs does the soundbar and the subwoofer look like in the back? So let's go ahead and get into that. Some of the buttons that shows on top of the soundbar here, I'll do my best here to show that right on camera. You can see that you have the power button, your volume toggle switches right here, the buttons, and this is the input just in case you want to change from HDMI to another source. That's up to you. And then the ports that this soundbar comes with, two HDMI ports, it looks like on the left hand side, and then you have the power port, that's to plug in the soundbar itself. And then here on the left hand side of this soundbar, it's got a nice quality and sturdy, it's well built. And here, as you can see, you have a USB port, which you can plug in a flash drive with, say, a flash drive or a thumb drive that you have some audio tracks and some MP3s. You can plug that in directly into the soundbar and start playing them right away. And you also have a digital optical port there. If you're looking at the back of the subwoofer, here's the power port. That's why you plug in the power cable into the subwoofer, since this is a Bluetooth subwoofer. And speaking of Bluetooth, I'm pretty sure this is your pairing button to pair your Bluetooth speaker, just in case it does not pair with your phone or tablet or with the soundbar. So let's go ahead and, as of right now, let's go ahead and do a sound demo without the soundbar, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys a demo with the soundbar on. So let's go ahead and get into that, and this should be it. Alright folks, so here's the sound test. Now this is the sound test coming straight from my TV. This is with the soundbar off. After that, I'll let you hear what the soundbar sounds like when it's turned on. So let's go ahead to do the sound test. Alright guys, so here's the sound demo with the soundbar turned on, okay, along with the subwoofer as well. So let's see what it sounds like. So alright guys, there you have it. Let me know what you think. I think this soundbar sounds pretty good. It's got some nice bass. I don't want to blast it too loud. I will provide the link in the description below if you're interested in this awesome and beautiful, it's simple, easy to use and set up the Samsung soundbar. Again, this is the model T60C. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions or comments, drop me a line below and I'll get back to you soon. Give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Give me a thumbs up and share it with a friend as well, whether it's on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. I would definitely appreciate that. Other than that, I will see you guys next time.